Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Here I will show you all of my indoor plants. So I gathered almost all of my indoor plants in this room and I will show you my personal favorite collections of indoor plants. And there are 3 indoor plants which I am going to show you now. Number 1 on my list are pothos. Let me show you. These are the pothos, commonly known as money plants. Money plants are very easy to grow. They can grow both in soil as well as in water. All you have to do is take a cutting and put it in the water and it will grow. But I personally prefer putting this money plant in the soil because in soil it grows really well. Let me show you one of the money plant which I kept in the water. You can see these are the cuttings I made and I put it into the water and you can see lots of roots are growing. You can see lots of roots are growing. In soil it grows very quickly and we just have to fertilize it once in a week. Make sure to fertilize it with rich nitrogen compounds. Yes, you can see I have added a smiley in this money plant. This is a tag. It makes sure that all these plants grow well. It's my imagination. For watering, I recommended let the soil get dry completely. Then only you will have to water it. Look, this soil is not so much dried and not so much watered. So the second plant on my list is snake plant. This is one of the most hardy plant I have ever noticed. We have to water the soil only when it gets completely dry out. You can see, and it can be grown even in the darker places. Let me put it in the place. Okay, I have started growing some of my snake plants in this water in a bottle. You can see the roots. I kept this plant in this bottle and it will take time to grow roots. Snake plants have the ability to absorb all the pollutants from the airs, especially the carbon monoxide. What is carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide is an air pollutant. Additionally, it emits oxygen and filters all the toxins from the air such as formaldehydes, benzene, xylene, etc. And the last plant on my list is Syngonium. In my point of view, Syngonium is the most decorative plant I have ever noticed. Syngoniums have many varieties and I have 2 of them. Let me show you. This is the common Syngonium plant, commonly known as the arrow-headed plant. These are the leaves. You can see these variety and these varieties of leaves are the same. They are the newborn leaves and after some days it will turn into these type of leaves. How beautiful it is. And this one is called as Syngonium silver goosefoot. These are very uncommon plants in Indian homes. You can see how good looking it is. I like these silver strips on these leaves. They are the most amazing plants I have ever seen. Syngonium shows displeasure to more sunlight, the harsh day sunlight, but they love to grow in humid place with low to medium sunlight and keep watering it whenever the upper soil gets dry. Now it's well watered. You can see it sticks on my fingers. So that's all for today's video. Hope you guys like my video. Thank you.